Hello once again, good friends. Welcome new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. As I mentioned in an earlier video, I do have a parade of great products for paint enhancements, one-steps. For those of you just starting out, want to start to expand services from basic cleaning, or hey, just want to learn how to take care of your own car. Well, here is another great product to add to the list for enhancements or one-steps. It is the Ultima Fine Cut and Polish. This is the perfect example of a one-step. Let's give it a shot, see what it can do. I have found the Ultima Fine Cut and Polish from anywhere between $19.95 to $24. You can get it at AutoGeek as well as Walmart. If you wait for their sales at AutoGeek, that'll give you 20 to 25% off. It'll be under 20 bucks. So I'm going to use it first for new car prep, and as usual, we never have a new car that doesn't have damage here and there to remove. So all the outer edges on this vehicle, the outermost edges anyway, need to be corrected. And I first wanted to show you a coarse cutting polish or cutting compound up close, so you get an idea what it looks like microscopically. Very coarse. And as we go up to the Ultima Fine Cut and Polish, a very fine abrasive, as we can see here. This particular product here can be found included in a whole system. The system is $99.99 and includes the Ultima Fine Cut and Polish, the Ultima Fine Polish, the Ultima Paint Sealant, Buff and Shine pads for cutting, medium cut, and finishing and polishing. And you also get 3 all-purpose microfibers. A smaller company out of Florida, probably more well-known for the Ultima Waterless Wash and Waterless Wash Plus concentrates. I'm rinseless here, so fantastic to know that as well. I have yet to showcase one of those here, but I will get to it. Okay, to the task at hand. I'm going to make one trip around the truck in preparation for a ceramic coating. It's brand new, as I said, but there is some damage. There always is. And this is going to be a quick and simple correction, one step, using this product. It won't take me long to get around the whole thing. I have the pad primed with Angel Wax QED, and then 3 pea-sized drops of the product, and I'm going to do 3x3 sections all the way around the vehicle here, from the roof all the way down to the bottom of the rocker panels. And we're going to use the Torque 22D and also team it up with one of my favorites, the Eurofiber 50/50 pad. Proper correction arm speed at an inch every second or two. We have the polisher on the 3rd speed setting. That's where I usually have it. And arm pressure, minimal. I just have my arm there to guide it back and forth as usual. Give me a second to put the polisher down. We'll wipe off the very light residue, no dusting whatsoever, and hopefully when we remove the residue, we can come in, take a closer look, and see that the damage is gone, and we can keep moving around the truck. Damage is gone, and not only has it removed that for me, but it has given me the gloss I'm looking for on this new truck. Perfect for laying down protection on top of it. I flew around the whole truck in no time at all, just under 2 hours with the cab on the back. And here we go. We are ready to get a panel prep on there, clean it up, and protect it. All right, how about when it comes to paint enhancements? When you're not worried about going after some deep, serious imperfections, you just want to bring out some gloss and clarity? Well, let's find out. Let's get a starting measurement here. 74.3. For paint enhancements, I'll personally step down from the Eurofiber pad to just a perforated foam polishing pad. Nice and smooth, brought out the clarity, the gloss. And speaking of gloss, let's take a measurement now. 95, 96.9, so a huge difference. And that's mostly just flattening out the surface, cleaning off and exfoliating the paint. And all we're worried about is bringing out gloss and clarity, and that's what we did. So, thumbs up when it comes to the Ultima for one-steps, paint enhancements. Now let's go to the test panel and see how it removes different types of imperfections. Okay, as we go to the test hood here, and this thing is an awful mess. Let's put the Eurofiber pad back on and see what kind of improvements we can get from the Ultima. Okay, as you can see, no dusting whatsoever. As you can see, a thin, clear residue. Could have worked out for quite some time. Let's remove it. Removes quick and easy. User-friendly. And just with that crisscross pattern, you could see the improvement that it made. Of course, left behind the deeper scratches. I was not expecting the fine polish to remove them, but everything else, it cleaned it up, it cleared it up, brought back the depth and clarity, and that's exactly what you're looking for in a one-step or paint enhancement. Definitive line of where we stopped working the product. Very good stuff. And for the final thoughts segment of the video, let's go over some positives and negatives. For the size of the container, it's a little high priced. However, if you wait for Auto Geek's sales that they have, as of this moment now making this video, they have a 25% off, which then brings it under 20 bucks and makes it more reasonable. It is a smaller company. I didn't know about it until a friend dropped by and introduced it to me. On a positive note, it finishes down incredible, leaves great gloss, and is very smooth and silky to the touch, and will cut a lot further and surprise you in its cut for what it is in the class that it's in, and is very comparable to Sonac's cut and finish. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.